So when we met via Zoom a few weeks ago, there was a question about how easy is it to edit the reports in the new report writer function that's part of EPM Cloud. So just wanted to give you a quick and easy demonstration of what is all involved, right? So here I'm looking at a series of reports. I'm just going to choose this generic income statement actual versus plan underscore backup, right? So it's going to pull up the report properties, or the report itself, right? And then we can, run it from here. We can run it to PDF, to HTML, but we also have this pencil icon up here in the top right of the page, that is an edit button, right? So we can click on that, and it brings up the actual report properties, right? Where we have the ability to have a number of different grids if we want to make sort of like a composite report. We have our sort of dynamic referencing to existing members, right? So we can, for like a specific title or time period or particular member or series of members that you want to run a report for, it's available through adding these multiple grids, right? So for the actual data grid itself, the functionality is essentially very similar to what you're probably used to working with HFM and FR or financial reporting. But it's a lot more dynamic, and I feel like it's more user-friendly, right? So I can edit this particular data grid, right? And here, like I mentioned when we talked a couple weeks ago, it's still essentially the intersection of your row versus column, right? And obviously you can be creative as far as the way that you have your dynamic settings. So you can have, the children of a particular account node or level 0 or however, however your outline is constructed, you can utilize that to build your reports, right? Same with the column settings as well. So for this one, for example, let's preview it. Let's say I want to get rid of this variance explanation that sits out here in the furthest right column, right? So I come back to edit. I can still, this data grid is still open. I can hit the down arrow and I can delete that column, right? I'm going to confirm yes. Going to run the preview, and you can see that it's gone. Can go back into here. I can show you a couple other capabilities here as far as the row settings, of these options to insert a data row or data column, a formula row or formula column, text, maybe just a separator, right? Like a blank row or column, or just a note, right? So a lot of different options. You can actually copy and paste, which is something that did not exist in FR. So you have a number of different capabilities and functionality at your fingertips that makes this obviously more dynamic than what you're used to with using financial reporting with your current HFM setup. Thank you.